Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing a very common Excel problem, how to display all hidden rows and columns. It happens to the best of us, accidentally hiding rows or columns and then struggling to find them again. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of quick and easy methods to unhide everything in your spreadsheet. No more endless scrolling or guessing where those missing cells went. Before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Excel tips and tricks. It really helps the channel grow. Okay, let's get started. Method 1. Using the Unhide option. Alright, so let's say you suspect you have hidden rows or columns. The first and arguably easiest way to unhide them all is through the Unhide option. First, you need to select the entire worksheet. You can do this in a couple of ways. You can click the small triangle at the very top left corner of your spreadsheet where the row and column headers meet, or you can simply press Ctrl+A or CMD+A on a Mac. This selects everything. Now, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Cells group, find and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear. Under the Visibility section, you'll see options for Hide and Unhide. Hover over Hide and Unhide, and you'll see options for Unhide Rows and Unhide Columns. Click on Unhide Rows. Then go back to Format, Hide and Unhide, and this time click on Unhide Columns. And that's it. This method will unhide all hidden rows and columns in your entire worksheet. Pretty simple, right? Method 2. Using the mouse. Sometimes, especially if you only have a few hidden rows or columns, you can unhide them manually with your mouse. This is particularly useful if you know approximately where the hidden cells are. Look at your row or column headers. Do you see any gaps in the numbers or letters? For example, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, you see 1, 2, 5? That indicates that rows 3 and 4 are hidden. To unhide them, hover your mouse between the row headers, between rows 2 and 5 in our example. You should see your cursor change into a double arrow with a horizontal line in the middle. Click and drag downwards. This will expand the hidden rows and make them visible again. The same principle applies to columns. Look for gaps in the column letters. A, B, C, E. D is missing. Hover your mouse between the column headers, between columns C and E in our example. Your cursor will change into a double arrow with a vertical line. Click and drag to the right to unhide the hidden columns. This method is great for quick, localized unhiding. Bonus tip: unhiding only specific rows/columns. Let's say you only want to unhide rows 3 and 4, as in the previous example. Select rows 2 and 5, the rows immediately above and below the hidden rows. Then, right-click on the selected area and choose Unhide. This will only unhide the rows between your selection. The same applies to columns. Select the columns to the left and right of the hidden columns, right-click, and choose Unhide. Conclusion. So there you have it. 2 easy ways to unhide rows and columns in Excel. Whether you accidentally hid them yourself or inherited a spreadsheet from someone else, these techniques will help you get back to seeing all your data. Hopefully, this video was helpful. If it was, please remember to give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more useful Excel tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any other Excel questions or topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheet ing.